Hi guys, Henry here with another value-packed video. Today I'm going to show you something so mind-blowing. This is a game changer for anyone who is using Systeme.io. This has never happened before, right? This is the biggest magic in the entire history of Systeme.io. Guess what? I just hacked Systeme.io to do the impossible. What just happened right now, you won't believe it. A one-click landing page, an AI-powered feature, and a multi-product add to cart that never existed throughout Systeme.io. As a matter of fact, Systeme.io said it cannot be done on the platform, and guess what? There is zero video on the internet talking about what I'm about to show you right now. This is the best thing that has ever happened in the history of this product. Now let's go. Let me show you something crazy. Like, I'm wondering why nobody's talking about this. Like, I don't understand. Did I just discover this? Or people are doing this secretly, but no one is talking about this. Now, guys, let me show you something here. Something very important. Now, if you understand this platform, Systeme.io is one of the best platforms, the world's easiest all-in-one marketing tool. If you understand how it operates, then you will know what I'm about to say. You will understand this. Let me show you something here. Now, this particular platform, as I speak to you right now, Systeme.io have a couple of problems. And these problems are not just easy problems, because these are big problems, right? Very huge problem. This is it. The platform does not allow you to add carts, right? Let me show you something. When you go to this particular platform now, for instance, it's very easy, right? I come to this platform, I want to buy something for my dog, and all I need to do right now to buy something for my dog is to scroll down and look for something nice that I would love to buy, right? And the moment I see something that I want to buy, all I needed to do is to add to cart, right? I just need to click and add to cart. You can see add is now 3. I will continue to just browse because it's an e-commerce platform. Guess what? This is one of the biggest markets on the internet, e-commerce platform. But Systeme.io is not leveraging on that because the system does not allow you to add to cart. This is one of the biggest features of e-commerce as a whole. And that is a big problem on Systeme.io, right? Hold on, let me show you something crazy. How I literally solved this problem. Now, number 2 is that as big as this platform is, there is no direct AI integration. Like the entire Systeme.io platform, nothing like AI working in this platform. Like ChatGPT is not integrated, no content writer, nothing. So that is another big problem that Systeme.io has. Then finally, on this platform, Systeme.io, there is no way for you to have a one-click. Let's say you go to a particular place on the platform, and all you need to do is to click a button, boom, and before you know, you have a complete full-fledged website, a landing page that you can use to sell your product and services, thereby making huge amount of money after that. It is not in existence on this platform. But guess what? That problem is solved. That is why I'm telling you this video is like one of the mind-boggling and breaking video I have ever made, because when I discovered this stuff, I was like, what just happened? Let me show you what I'm talking about, right? Like I said, Systeme.io is all about something like this, landing page. You just go, have a beautiful landing page. It's perfect for landing page. You want to sell it. One product is good, right? All you need to do is to just go and do what you want to do, and you can just go and buy. It's good for selling one product. But e-commerce people with different products cannot take advantage of this platform. They even said it themselves that it's not made for such type of business. And I'm telling you, there are a lot of people in e-commerce business that are not taking advantage of this platform. From today, you can start taking advantage of it. So let me show you what I just did right now. This particular website is a Systeme.io website. And as a matter of fact, I can go on this website right now and just add to cart without leaving the page. It will add to cart for me as many as I want to. You can see, this is magic. I've been looking for this feature. You see, I looked for this feature to the extent that I had to go and create one of my websites with WordPress just because I don't have this particular feature. But guys, this feature is here to stay. This complete website is built with Systeme.io and with a one-click. Like, I didn't have to go and start to drag this place and say, oh, put button here, I didn't do any of that. I said it's a one-click and boom, this website was made for me. So let me walk you through the steps that I took to create this particular website. And you can see, you can even go to the cart and you see to show you this cannot happen in Go and check your own Systeme.io. It is impossible. It never happened on the platform, except maybe you do certain form of integration and you need to be a coder to do that. You need some tools, you need developers to be able to do that. But see, you can check out, right? Boom, it will take you to the checkout from here and somebody will go and make payment. I have not added that particular step just because I want to quickly do this video. I just got this whole stuff done within an hour and I said, let me just shoot a video about it because it's so crazy to me, right? So this type of website, it's a one-click website with a secret weapon, of course, AI, and you can do the impossible in Systeme.io. Now, this is the step here. Let me walk you through the step, and I will show you exactly what I did. In step number 1, to generate that kind of website is a one-click landing page, which simply means that I did not have to go and start designing anything, right? I didn't design anything. That stuff you saw there is not my design. And it's beautiful. I cannot even design that stuff within. I've been using this platform for quite some time now, and I'm an expert. I'm a programmer and a developer. I can't design that website in record time, like the way it happened. So obviously AI is involved. But the thing is, there is no AI in Systeme.io. So how do we get this part done to be able to have a one-click website? Step number 1 is a one-click landing page that can be built for you. It can be a website, it can be a landing page. And I'm going to show you what I did, how I get this particular one-click landing page. Then the second thing here now is the multi-product cart functionalities, right? That I will show you how we get about that right now also on the platform, because that is a hell of a stuff. Because without that, then there is no point in making this particular video, because this entire video is predicated on the fact that we are able to execute this particular action right now on this website. Then finally is this part here. Now this part is where we need the help of an AI to get the job done for us. And now let me just go and show you how I get this stuff done. Now the first thing I did is that I just go ahead right now, go to your browser, go and type ChatGPT, right? Go for OpenAI ChatGPT. You can either use OpenAI ChatGPT or you can use Claude, right? These two, very good, right? You can use Claude AI, or you can even go for DeepSeek. DeepSeek is pretty good too. So choose any of the AI that is best. They are all free tools. So choose one of them. Now, when you choose one of them, the one I use in particular is Claude for this particular one. I don't know why I decided to use Claude, but you can use any of the tools. I've used all the various tools and I get a similar result with them. So what did I do? The first thing here is how I got this thing generated, right? This is the code here, right? This is the one-click website that was done for me. I did not design this stuff. All right, guys, so this is what I did. I came down here and I just gave a prompt saying I need a website. So to promote a particular product and all that, create me a website, and I need it now. I want to sell my courses, and I told him I want to sell it to Nigerians, Kenyans, South Africa, and Benin Republic audience. And boom, this stuff went to work and just give me a normal like design kind of stuff and tell me, okay, this is the section, the header, the benefit section, the testimonial section, and all that, right? And after that, I said, okay, create all the sessions. And it went ahead and put all the content, just develop the content. Because see, I don't even want to do any design or even go and develop or even go and write anything by myself. I said, ChatGPT or Claude, just do this for me. And Claude gave me everything that I needed for the website without me needing to do anything. All this content, I didn't even give it the content. I just say, create the content for me, right? So, and if you are doing your own, of course, you'll be able to give more information and you will get even a better website than mine. Then, after that, this guy here gave me the code. When I click, look at the code here, generate the entire code for me. And all this is free. This is free account. I'm not using anything paid. The entire website is generated for me free of charge. See something here. You can even preview it here and you will see the website that was generated. Can you see? Like, this is free. A one-click landing page website. Everything inside. And that was how step number 1 was done. Step number 1, c'est fini. All you need to do is to head on to ChatGPT, right? Use the AI tool. And this AI tool, like I said, it can be ChatGPT, it can be Claude, any of them, right? You can even use DeepSeek if you want to. So just use one of it to create this first thing here. One-click landing page for you. You don't need to design. Then step number 2, if you want to get step number 2, you still go back to the AI and just tell this AI, guy, what I want you to do for me right now is that I need you to add me a functionality to this particular code I generated that allows me to add product to cart. See, everything here is English language. And the same AI just created the code for me. Are you seeing this stuff? Like, it literally created the stuff for me. So this thing gave me the code for the landing page, and also the code that will enable me to add product to cart, multiple products, without leaving the page. Obviously, I did some prompt engineering. I'm going to leave some of the prompts. If you are interested, just comment below on this video. I will give you the prompt I used to get everything. If you are not commenting on it, I know you don't need it. Then there's no need of me putting it on the description, right? So let's continue. Let me show you how to get this stuff done. So now the big question is now this: how do you get what you have here, this thing here generated by this AI, into this thing here? How do you even get it done on Systemi.io? Like everything is Systemi.io. I will show you the back end right now so that you know it's actually Systemi.io. So if I take you to my Systemi.io dashboard right now, you will see that this is the stuff that we're talking about here, right? So let me even show it to you. Let me just click here, view funnel step, and it will open the same site for you. And we can go, we can see we can enroll now, and it will add it for us, right? Obviously, I can still modify this stuff to give me something very, very good, even better than this. But this is already so good. This is already top level. You can see it. So let's go back. This proves that this is actually Systemi.io, not WordPress or not ClickFunnels, not any other platform. So you can do the unimaginable, the impossible with this same Systemi.io tool that I keep preaching about every single day. By the way, these guys, they never sponsor me or anything. This video, I'm just doing it because I honestly love the platform, and I just want a lot of people who are interested in getting their business out there be able to use the platform to promote and to sell their services, their expertise, and their knowledge to the world. That is why I'm doing this particular video, not because I'm being sponsored by Systemi.io. I've been doing videos about them. I think if you go through my channel, it looks as if I'm working in Systemi.io because of my videos. I just love the tool, and I use the tool almost every day. So let's go to edit. When you go to edit right now, for some of you that don't know how to get to this place, you just go and click create funnel. Once you click create funnel, it will take you to that particular place, then just edit. If you've never watched my video on how to create a sales funnel to get to this place, just watch other videos. I have a lot of videos showing you step by step, but let's just focus on what we are here for. So when we click edit, we have this. The question is, how do we move everything that was on this place? I'm showing you the preview so that you know this thing is actually real. This is the website I generated from this place. How do we move from here now to Systemi.io? How? So this is what you do. Step number one is you go to this place that is a code, you open the code section of it, and you copy, right? You can literally just copy everything. Every single thing here, right? Just click like this. Everything inside this code. Make sure you start from beginning and click to copy it. Another thing you can do is just come under here. You will see copy content. If you copy here, it will copy everything inside this section for you. Once you are done copying that, then you go to Systemi.io. When we open Systemi.io, there's nothing you can do here with the code. What you want to do is inside of Systemi.io, you will see that perhaps you selected a template. In fact, you know what? I need to do this for you. Let me show you guys something because I need you to get this. So if you're on Systemi.io right now, what you want to do is you want to create funnel. You just give it a name, test demo. So here, just select a currency. It's already selected, right? Choose what category you want. Just select this stuff here. Come down and save. When you save, it will show you this particular stuff. Click it and it will open. The moment this part of the stuff open for you, you will be given an opportunity to actually select a template, which is one of the most important aspects of Systemi.io, the template part of it. You have millions of templates that you can edit. But guess what? Editing templates versus clicking a button to just speak English and I get a website, which one will you go for? Well, I will leave you that to answer. So the first part here, just go select anything. Just choose any template at all. Then click on edit page. When you click on edit page, it will open the template for you. What you want to do here, right? Now, once this stuff is open to you this way, right? What I want you to do is this. Delete everything. Literally, go and delete everything. So just click by section like this. Click this section and just delete. Click this section like this and click delete. That's what you do for me. Delete everything on this page. Click this section and click delete. Boom. So you keep doing this until you delete everything on this page, that this page is empty. You don't want anything to be on this page. That's step number one. We don't want to have nothing on this particular page, because if we have something on it, it will interfere with what we are about to do. And what we are about to do is one of the most important aspects of you having a one-click generated website that is powered by AI. So now you get the rest of, right? All right, so after deleting everything on this page, all you need to do now is you drag a section, you put the section. With this section now, what we want to do is to come to this element. You see, element, come down and drag raw HTML. Drag raw HTML and put it inside of this place. Once you drag the raw HTML, click on it. You can either click on it and you see this place here, edit code. Click on edit code. You see Systeme.io. Come here, highlight everything, Ctrl A, or just highlight everything and delete everything here. Then you go back to this place, what we have here. Boom, copy this code here, right? Once you copy this particular code here, bring it, go back to your Systeme.io and paste. You paste, everything is good, boom, you save. The moment you save, you have your website. I'm telling you guys, you have your complete website. That's exactly what I did. You have your complete website, A to Z. As a matter of fact, I've not even checked if this thing is mobile friendly. Let's see. Oh my God, it's even good on mobile. Oh no. This is my go-to right now when it comes to making websites. Oh no, this is so good. This is too good. Yes, check my cart. I can delete cart. Everything is done. One click. You can create your own landing page in Systeme.io right now for free, because this feature is free. With ChatGPT, free. And you can sell this website depending on where you are from. If you're in Africa, 250K, 300, any amount, depending on the functionality as well. So guys, that was how I hacked Systeme.io to be able to create my own website with all the functionalities with AI, even though Systeme.io refused to integrate AI into the system, but we use ChatGPT or any of the AI available to you. In my own case, I use Claude, free AI, to be able to get us a website that is 100% functional, that somebody can buy, add to cart, and do all the stuff. This is crazy. Systeme.io problem has been solved. So what I want to do next is I want to continue to explore this stuff. I will make this video a series. I will explore different aspects of this whole stuff. Let me see what we can arrive at, what we can do, if we can actually add more functionalities. Maybe I'll be thinking about how to do a lot of stuff. Guys, my head is literally burning right now with this concept. I will think about what I can do. And if you are interested on the prompt I use to create this particular website using Systeme.io, one-click free website, please let me know on the comment section and I will give that to you. And guys, for today, that is all. Click here to watch the next video on how to improve and grow your business online using this same platform, Systeme.io. How you can automate your business processes and also how you can generate free traffic on Google with this platform. See you guys on the next one.